Hi, I'm Kep Kepner, CPA here in Dallas. I'm going to talk a little bit today about terminology because terms are used inappropriately all over in the area of finance and accounting and tax. The first terminology is, what kind of business are you? It doesn't matter whether you're a corporation, a limited liability company, a sole proprietor, an S corp, an LP, an LPLC, whatever. It doesn't matter. The fact of the matter is, if you are what I call an I business, meaning that you have to be there for the business to operate, then you have a certain kind of business. Regardless of your legal organization, you're actually integral to the business. When you're integral to the business, then you're going to operate a certain way and you're going to have certain goals. Mostly those goals relate to throwing off as much cash flow as you can. That means reducing your tax bite. It means cutting your costs. It means billing more so that you have a profit, and taking that profit and using it outside the business, whether it's for living expenses or investment in other things. So it doesn't matter the type of organization, it's the functionality, and that's an I business. If instead you have a business that you're going to grow and it's going to grow separate from you, that means you can invest back in that business and you can sell it to somebody else. That kind of business is different. So we don't all start out with a business that we can sell. What we start out with generally as an entrepreneur is an I business, regardless of how we're structured. So we decide we want to be in business for ourselves. And so we form a business and we start operating. When you decide you want to make the commitment to grow beyond being an I business, then there are certain things that you have to do to be successful at it. The first thing you have to do is have a strong financial footprint for your business. You must have your financial records in order. Being bigger doesn't solve the problem of being sloppy with your bookkeeping. Being bigger doesn't solve the problem with you spending more than you make. You have to have a strong financial foundation. The next thing you have to do is you have to set some goals. You have to know what your goal is for this business. It's not enough to say, oh, I want to grow my business. You got to know how big you want it to be, and you've got to know how you're going to fund that growth. So that's the next thing you have to do. Have the foundation first, then have a target and know how you're going to grow your business. We'll tell you more about this later. Give us a call if we can help.